In case you are wondering if it's possible to screen record other people's story without them getting notified, I'll be showing you how to go about that in an easy way. It's very easy. Just ensure that your Instagram is updated, you are using the updated version, and once you're done updating your Instagram, come to the particular story you want to screen record. So assuming I want to screen record this particular story right here. So once I'm on this story, so I'll just proceed and pause the story, then go to my notification panel to access the phone screen recorder. If you want it to be a secret to the owner of the video, that is the best way to go about it. Ensure you use your phone screen recorder. So I just go to my notification panel. Once I'm right there, you can see right here we have so many features right here, and we can see we have screen recording right here. So I'll proceed and click on it. If yours is not right here, just go to these three dots up here, click on edit styles, and you get to add it from these more functions. Can you see? If I click on the green plus button, it will get added to the easy access, but mine is right there. So I'll just go ahead and click on screen recording. So once I click on screen recording, then the recording will start. I'll just take it back to the actual video or post I want to screen record. Can you see it has started afresh right here? Then once I'm done with all this, then I'll go ahead and stop the recording. Then you can now proceed to your gallery to go and check what you've recorded and probably edit it to your own satisfaction. And that is basically how you go about screen recording other people's story or feed. So if you got value, do it to like this video, subscribe to this channel, and drop a comment. I'll be seeing you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.